And so we talk about purpose, right? So, vision is about where you're going. Purpose wants to know, why do you exist? What significant contribution do you bring to the team is really what it's asking, right? Not this existential, what is the meaning of life kind of way. Challenge is that when I ask that, people always kind of fall back to their job. Oh, I'm in sales, I'm in IT, I'm in development, etc., etc. And it's not that those are incorrect answers, but recognize that for you to connect, truly connect with your purpose, you must elevate your thinking way beyond your job title and your job function. Because what that does is that it gets you energized and truly focused on what you're trying to do. And so in the end, as Martin Luther King Jr. says, life's most persistent question is, what are you doing for others? So as you're going about, dare I say, your mundane task, trying to realize that vision, I want to challenge you to think about, how is this thing impacting the lives of other people? How am I making the lives of other people better? And your purpose is a patience. A word that I've been here bantered around the last couple of days is the word hope, right? So you're giving people hope of a better life. You're helping them to have meaningful existence after a really bad diagnosis. So yes, think about how you're going to impact the world around you. This morning when Anya asked those 3 questions, I thought it was really powerful to see the almost entire room stand. Because all of us, even if you weren't personally diagnosed with cancer, you have a relative or you have a friend or the relative of a friend. So it is all of our concerns. And I think that if you approach your work in that way, on those bad days when you think about all the people whose lives you're going to touch, it's going to help you to develop grit and push forward. And so, something I said earlier, as you look around the world and the challenges that people are facing, I want to challenge you and encourage you to see how you can apply your skill set and your knowledge and your experience to create solutions that are going to make their lives better. Purpose.